Well, what do we have here? Well, look what I found cleaning up. These are my locks. And let me tell y'all, oh my God, the aroma that comes from these locks. Let me tell y'all, oh my God. Oh, and they've been sitting. Wow, these motherfuckers smell. Listen, they have been sitting. Let me tell you, I've had people to give me locks and they smelled like straight ass. Look at this. This is the part that was cut. Look how clean that looks on the inside. This is how your locks, when you take care of your scalp, and you're feeding the body what it needs to be fed. Now, let me go ahead and be honest with you now. This here, these locks, okay. I'm gonna be 100% honest, okay? These locks right here, all right, I was definitely eating chicken, Italian beef, had a few pieces here and there. Italian beef was when I wanted to treat myself. It wasn't all the time. That would be like a weekend type of thing. During the week, I was eating chicken wraps. I might have some fish in between, but it was a lot of healthy eating. From when I cut it the last time, I did change a lot of eating habits. Not a lot of vegetables or anything. Okay. Not a lot of vegetables and everything. Um, um, but definitely, my scalp was being cleaned. And the way I teach my assistant, which I mean, she helped out a lot. Linda definitely was doing my hair during this time. When I tell you, if I cut through these, you won't see any buildup. And this is how your locks should be. There should be no buildup. I have not one apple cider vinegar treatment ever. That is poisonous to your scalp. Don't do that to your hair. I have never done it. But what I did do is I make sure I took care of my body and as well as my scalp. Okay? And the things that I put on my head. So I was getting my hair done every month. Every month getting my hair done, making sure it's clean. You see that? Yeah, you might find a few here and there. But I guarantee you, if I comb through that, it won't be any type of build up, and they smell so fucking good. Oh my God, they smell so good. So listen, I am going to sell these. This is maybe about 128 locks. I am selling these, and the price is going for about $400. This is about a good, some of them are going to be a lot longer than the other ones, but these are about a good 8 to 9 inches. So, and they smell so good. Let me tell you, you really don't even have to, I mean, you can wash them. I mean, but they smell so fucking good. Let me tell you. All right? Peace, love, prosperity.